So today folks, we have here LRC1 leather cleaner, and we are going to show you how effective LRC1 is at cleaning this stressless chair. So first of all, let's get some LRC1. We're going to spray some LRC1 onto the item itself. You don't need an awful lot sprayed on, and then just very, very gently massage that in. Just very, very gently go over it. We're not putting any pressure on here. The purpose of this is to clean the leather without damaging the leather. So you just got to very, very gently massage that in first of all. Simply keep rubbing over it with the brush so it's removing all the dirt, grease and grime on the surface, and that's also going to help you clean the leather skin. Because of the natural products, it's going to help soften the skin as well and make it nice and soft as well, and that's going to produce a really nice finish on the surface, which we'll show you once we reveal by taking off the tape to show you the difference between the two. So it's just a matter of just keep going over the surface, giving it a real good clean on the surface. Now onto the base itself, just spray some on again. Very, very gently agitate that over the surface. We're not scrubbing hard, as you can clearly see. We're not even putting any pressure on the leather. We are literally just skating over the surface with LRC1. That is how effective the LRC1 leather cleaner is. It's a natural cleaner. It's got natural softening agents in here to help soften the leather. The cleaning soaps are very natural to help sort of deep clean the item without scrubbing hard and without the use of harsh chemicals in the cleaner either. They will produce a very good deep cleaning result of your leather item. So get right under all your arm areas and give them a clean. Obviously, if we would normally maybe take the back off and clean right down the backs here as well, which is what we will do with this in a moment. But first of all, we just wanted to show you how effective the cleaner is at cleaning the surface. Very, very easily without any sort of pressure being applied to the surface to clean it. And what the difference looks like. So, as you can see, clean cloth. And just wipe over the surface gently. We've got a lot of dirt on there, it's absolutely staggering. Another clean side again, I'll just show you the base. And just look at the amount of dirt that's coming off there as well. It's absolutely staggering. That was the back, and that is the actual base of the seat. And that's just with one very, very quick go without really giving it a rigorous clean. So next time round, which is what we're going to do now, we'll go a little bit more over the surface with a bit more pressure. So we're going to push the Tampico brush into the actual leather itself to deep clean the leather a little bit further. So this time we're just going to give it a little bit of pressure so that we can deep clean it. Simply wipe it over the surface again, wipe away the dirt and grime, and then we can do a little bit of a reveal on the old surface to see what it looks like. Certainly looks quite remarkable, the difference there, and that is LRC1 leather cleaner. Certainly made quite an amazing result there on the surface of the leather, as you can clearly see. huge result.